So I haven't done anything all week, you know, just kind of working in the yard, just working on my stuff. Kind of bored. So what I decide? Let's go to SeaWorld with the missus. Friday night fireworks, let's go. I'm hoping you can see that. The tower is all lit up like the Christmas tree normally is, so I think it's that summer lighting, and we're gonna get everything starting to get lit up and decorated for summer, so let's go. This is awesome. Little picture honoring those who have served. That's rad. Are you trying to come in with the fingers? Not cool. Sweet. I was just walking through here and I was wondering, are these lights going to be turned on? And yes, they're on. So just got to wait for it to get a little darker and we'll be good to go. Get the tunnel going. So, April, are we going on electric eel? Thank goodness. There's a reason why that ride's always so low in line. It's because it's bad. Comfortable collars that aren't comfortable? Truth. Okay, so I always like to go to the bathroom before I go ride. I don't know why. Maybe it's an old man thing. I don't know. Maybe it's something my mom instilled in me, but I still do it. So off to the bathroom I go. I'm going to check on that divider. The last time I was here, they put up a temporary, so I'm hoping they got a permanent. That'd be rad, because that would just show how much they care about that park and how fast they get through there. So. Well, great news, not from the Dippin' Dots guy, but actually from the gaming guy who sits there every day and looks at this thing. They ran tests today of Journey to Atlantis. So Journey to Atlantis' new upgrade is done. The refurbishment is done. I don't know, it doesn't look like they've done anything on the drop. Maybe they did on the other side, I don't know. But everything's tested, so it should be ready to go. 2 weeks and we're going. All right, looks like we're heading to Emperor. Ooh, are you ready? Yeah, that's a re-rideable for this one. Absolutely re-rideable for me. But we're also trying the new Insta X360 3S to see how that looks on the POV. I'm not gonna lie, I really like dive coasters. I remember the first time I saw SheiKra in Tampa, I was stoked. I lied to that one. I told her we weren't gonna go on it. She's like, well, I'm not going on that. I'm like, oh yeah, we're not going on it. Walked literally right on it. It's on the back side of it, so if you know, you know. And yeah, first ride to Tampa.
Please step quickly and carefully directly into the sea. Directly into the sea. If you're not riding it this time, please now step back. Your gates are closing. You're riding. Please keep your hands, arms, and legs down. That's right. You're left and this all done. Before you go, please step quickly into the sea.
Wow, this is sweet. They had a temporary when I was here last time. They finally got a permanent line to do the two difference. It looks like they're separating on the stairs now too. Now, if you remember correctly, the right side of the staircase was first row and the left was 2 and 3. So now it's just like, come on up here and get in queue. so. We got the reverse POV in, and it's trying to calculate. If you look at it, it's trying to calculate which way to go, which is awesome. And we have the X360 working right now. I'm gonna hold the X360 to make sure, because I don't have my tether, but I do have the magnet, and it is locked, but it's the point I need. Sweet ride on Emperor. I'm hoping I get another one, so I get a POV with the GoPro. I got a POV with the new Insta X360. It was locked. I just held on to it because I'm nervy Nelly. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it did. I got some new off-road footage of my favorite ride. I love this ride. I'm not gonna lie. I love Emperor. It's not my favorite ride, but it's just like a comfort. You know what I mean? So anyways, ooh. You can see the tower lit up a little better. I'll shoot it the other way. And and the other reason why we're here is fireworks. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we are out here. They're doing fireworks and everything every night this weekend. Shame, because I will be at Knott's tomorrow, and I'll be at Six Flags on Sunday. But tonight, we're hanging out, walking the park, and gonna enjoy some fireworks. We riding Arctic Rescue?
Yes.
Ooh. Well, it said 10 minutes for Emperor and it was a walk-on, so I'm going to take that 5 minutes as a walk-on. Really crazy, I'm not going to lie. When we pulled into the parking lot, I thought this place was going to be packed. I easily thought 20, maybe 30 minutes for Emperor. So either people at shows right now still, or they're leaving the park at, what, 7 o'clock, 7:30? We're like an hour, we got fireworks. Is it possible we're gonna get a Zen ride on Arctic? We're gonna get our cruising speed. Woo! Tears?
Tears. All down my face.
Tears of joy, though.
Tears of joy.
Of joy.
Joy.
Joy. Is this a good ride?
Excellent.
Is it better than Emperor? Look at that bad whip.
No, it's not better than ever.
No. Is this, what do you rank this in the park out of all four?
2.
4. You're number 2?
2.
This is your number 2.
Manta's too shaky.
So you're gonna go Manta number 3,
Yeah.
Electric Eel 4?
5.
Ooh, 5. That's legit. quick little visit to the Beluga Whales. Everybody loves a Beluga Whale, at least I do. So, but this one over here, I thought she was gonna go down there and be like, "Hey, Beluga Whales." I was like, "We're going to the penguins, maybe the turtles," and we're going this way. Looks like the Seasons shop is finally having this 50% sale. So they already discounted everything else, and then they put another 50% on top of it. So if you're looking for some SeaWorld gear, more. I'm a little shocked that the fish aren't lit up more. This area used to be lit up more. Kind of like some of the individual trees are lit up. There was more of the fish lit because they sparkle and they shine. So it's kind of like last year with the Christmas lights. They took a lot of that stuff away. This is really dark back here. So I am going to be interested in Christmas to see what they're going to do. Are you kidding me? Pink Pony Club at SeaWorld? I'm so in. Woo! Something to be aware of. Calypso, their big barbecue place, closes at 6. And the park closes at 9 tonight. So that's 3 hours before the park closes. That's really early. I was really surprised. I thought maybe 7, maybe 8. Actually, I was hoping 8, which, you know, about 10 minutes. But, well, I went in and they're sleeping. All of them. Maybe one dude's like rotating, but I ain't taking no picture, no sleeping turtles today. Again, really surprised. It's 8 o'clock. And everything, even the snacks, everything is all shut down. I'm gonna head to the middle and see if that's open. If it is, cool. If not, we have sweet cream pretzels.
We're going to do a little pre-celebration. It is this young lady's birthday.
So,
1, 2,
like I said,
happy birthday.
nothing's open. And that sucks because I redeemed that $10 thing and I'm not able to use it. So I got to go to guest services and be like, yo, I didn't use it. So, but I did get a sweet cream cheese pretzel. Say that again. Well, that was a fail for April. She tried to get to use my $10 pass that I couldn't use and try to get a drink, but the drink place closed. So a lot of sad faces today. Well, I'm off to Manta, and then I'm running over to Emperor to hopefully get the ride for fireworks. check out Manta's line. I'm hoping I can walk right in and go. If I can't, like I said, I'm out, going over to Emperor. Sweet, great news. It's a walk to the station. Let's go.
Good idea, honey. This is a great idea. We only live like 30 seconds.
So really weird today. I was expecting stuff to be open by Manta, but nothing's open over there, but everything is open on this side still. So just know that if you want food or snacks or drinks, the best side to get on is like the Penguin side from the middle over, okay? The middle is having the dance party with the DJ, as I saw earlier, and then they're gonna do the parade here in a little bit. I am, again, riding coasters. Emperor, here we come. Running 2 trains. It's 8:44 right now, and they're saying at 8:50, so I got 6 minutes to keep rotating to see how fast, what train I'm gonna get on. Let's see. So, was able to go through the ride. They're about 2 minutes late in those fireworks, so we gotta get back on there and get those fireworks done. Let's go. All right, do I get the finale? We're going up at 8:54, 46 minutes, 8:55. I'm hoping I get the finale on the ride. It's so sick. The finale of the ride, of the fireworks on the ride on that lift hill, and then coming over in the drop. It's so dope. So stoked. Thank you, SeaWorld for Ops for doing their diligence and getting me on the ride. Me and one other. That's awesome. Only 2 hours at his end. Whew. Can't wait. All right, I think we're done. Gotta go get the missus, and I think we're out of here. SeaWorld's been great. So sweet. Got the finale firework ride I always love. I've gotten a few of them now, and amazing, amazing, amazing. Emperor, you don't disappoint. You're like, seriously, just like such an awesome ride. And it's not like, oh my God, you're amazing awesome, but it's just like comfortable. It's like sitting on your couch and watching TV. It's just good. I love the tunnel of lights. Reminds me of Christmas. It's not Christmas, I know. All right, it's lights though, still fun. All right, I'm running over to Manta to go and pick up April, since she's been sitting over there watching. She watched the fireworks from there at the bay. A lot of people sit over there, and you get a good shot of all of the fireworks over there, but none of the, the crowd. So think about that. something to know about SeaWorld Busch Gardens is their photo pass. I've thought it linked. I've never had an issue getting my photos before, but I just tried to redeem my photos today and I wasn't able to get them. Don't know why, but I was able to actually get another card. Thank God, customer service was good and they handled it. But all right, a little hassle, no big deal. A little hassle. They did redeem the $10, pushed it out to the 26th, which was the due date. Yeah, we'll be back probably on Monday maybe with the busies. I don't know. We'll see. But it was a great day, great night, great evening, got fireworks. And as you always know, keep your hands up, seatbelt buckled, and your damn phone in your pocket.